Okay, today, guys, we're going to be doing a cleaning of our throttle body on a 60K. They call it a Perform Engine Intake Decarb, which sounds like, service speak for costs a lot of money to do something that doesn't cost a lot of money. So today I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to do it. It's real fast. It's not a big deal. So we're going to be removing our cover here. That just pops up and slides forward. Just got these two little mounts that push in place, and then those clips just kind of pull forward on that. Right here is your throttle body. I went ahead and loosened up these two screws ahead of time, and then this bolt back on this side. I'll show you in a different angle, but remove that. And you are going to need throttle body or air intake cleaner. Really doesn't matter what kind you buy. A little bit goes a long way on this, so one can will last you for many jobs. Just do not use brake cleaner. I wouldn't recommend anything other than your intake cleaner. Just FYI. Okay, so once this bolt is out, connecting this to a bracket, we'll set that aside. These guys are loose, so I'm going to pull. I guess pull from here since it's easier to remove. This comes off your air box. Just kind of pull it up and then slide this off of your throttle body. Okay, now here's your throttle body. This is the butterfly that, depending on the RPMs, lets more or less air in. You can push on it and it opens up. Let's see if I can see it better here. You just want to do it real gently. You don't want to force it real hard. It's not very super strong, but it's all electronic in here, so you don't want to strip out any gears. So you see it's clean here, and then right down on the inside, down there on the bottom edge, you can see it's kind of black. And that's what we want to clean. This one's not too bad. And on the edge here, on the butterfly, it's not too bad. So this one is really not looking too bad. I've got 60,000 miles on it. So what you want to do is spray your carb cleaner on your rag. And then just push this open. And then get down there. As good as you can. Yeah. And remember, spray on your rag, not in the hole. Okay. All right. So that's on the bottom. It should be pretty clean if we can look. Yep. I took away most of that black. There's that black ridge there. I'm going to go ahead and spray some more on there and try and get rid of that real quick. You can push in and then hold the butterfly with your right finger. All right, that's looking better. You can see we removed that ridge. Now while we have this down, we're going to clean this top edge of our butterfly here. You see it's getting cleaner. Now we want to switch hands and do the top. So now I'm going to look around and make sure I didn't miss any. And clean whatever is left. If you have a throttle body that is very, very, very gunked up, you may feel or hear a change in your idle for a few cycles. That's going to be normal until the computer understands that it's getting the right airflow, basically the factory airflow again. That looks really good. And let it back down easy. Clean the rest in the front and around here. Yeah, that looks good. So that's basically back to a factory, like brand new, as far as your computer cares. And if it's been real bad, then your computer has been adjusting what it's reading as far as the air coming through here. So like I said, whenever you restart it, maybe kind of idle, kind of weird, just give it a few cycles, drive it, and it should come back down, and you should notice a increase maybe in your fuel economy and smoothness on idle and more power. So anyways, we're gonna button this back up real quick. Just back the same way. You want to make sure that your tube is on it all the way around. The clamps kind of get a little weird sometimes. Just want to make sure they're in their grooves. Like I said, feel around and make sure it's not pinched. You can line up this little notch in your tube with the notch on your airbox. And the same thing on this side. You just want to feel around. Make sure it's in. Make sure this box is all the way in here. This is the bolt that I took out earlier. 10 millimeter. And then the screws on these are 10 millimeter also. Just want them tight. And this one. That's tight. So we put our cover back on for the engine now. Pop, pop. And then that's it. So I'm going to find out tomorrow from the dealership how much they charge for this, but these cans are maybe, I don't know, $8-9, and you saw how much we used. This is going to last forever, probably the lifetime of the vehicle or a couple of different vehicles. So anyways, this is great for maintenance. You could do it every 30,000 miles. You could do it every 60. It's not going to hurt to do it more often. So just, make sure you don't spray this on paint, spray this on plastic, and just and then that's about it. So anyways, guys, we really appreciate you guys watching and commenting. If you guys would give us a like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. Anyways, we'll talk to you later. Thanks again.